If you're struggling with high traffic and no sales, or if you aren't showing up in search results, it may be an issue with your SEO. In today's video, I'm going to show you a beginner SEO tutorial without the use of any tools so that you can start bringing in free, relevant search traffic. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so to work on your SEO, click on one of your products. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see a place to edit your SEO. Click Edit Website SEO, and it will pop down text fields for you to edit. You will notice that these are already filled in, and that is because by default, Shopify will use your product title and product description as your SEO. Now, when you are writing your SEO, you have to put yourself in the customer's shoes and think to yourself, if I was trying to find this product in Google, what would I type in? For this product, I would type in daisy ring. With that in mind, open up your internet browser and open an incognito window. Then go to Google. We want an incognito tab so that our search results aren't based off of our previous search history. And by the way, if you are ever trying to test out and see where you rank in search, always use an incognito tab because again, it's going to base your search results off of your search history, and you likely visit your own store a lot, so it's going to give you an inaccurate result without it. Now, type in one of your phrases. Google will automatically populate the search results with terms that are being searched. The ones that show up near the top are the most searched. What you want to do is look for any relevant keywords and write them down in a Google document. What do I mean by relevant? It has to accurately describe your product. So although some of the keywords like daisy ring Pandora might be tempting to use because they're higher up, there's no point because if you end up ranking for this in search and the customer clicks on your listing, they will see that the product isn't what they were looking for and then they will click off. They are looking for a specific product by a specific company. Ultimately, using irrelevant keywords will hurt you because it not only gives you a high bounce rate and irrelevant traffic, but it will affect your ranking as well. Another tip for finding keywords is to add one letter of the alphabet after your keyword. So daisy ring A, adjustable. Daisy ring B, band. Daisy ring C, cute. Go through each letter of the alphabet for more ideas. Once you have gathered your keywords, pick your top most relevant and specific keywords. You can also look for any common trends. For me, I see the word silver a lot. Now it's time to write your title. When writing your titles, you want a balance between writing for the algorithm and writing for your customers. I usually see people either writing for one or the other. Someone who is writing without the algorithm in mind might title this Jessica ring. I see this so commonly in fashion and beauty stores, where there will be names for their products like Drama Queen for a pair of eyelashes or Fierce for a bold eyeshadow palette. The issue here is that no one looking for this type of product is going to type those phrases into Google. Again, put yourself in the customer's shoes and ask yourself what you would type into Google. Now, on the other side of the pendulum, someone writing only for the algorithm is likely to keyword stuff their title. The problem with this is that it ends up looking spammy and untrustworthy. A balanced approach considers both the algorithm and the customer. Now that we've got our title done, the next thing we need to work on is our description. You're going to use the same advice I just gave you, however, you have more characters, so use as many keywords as you can without sounding too robotic. So here's what I've come up with. You can see I've included my title. I've also included my main keyword. And in the product photos, I noticed that this ring comes with a card that reads, I think about you every daisy. This is a phrase that might stick out in someone's mind if they've seen an ad for this product, so I've included that as well. Finally, I also put some words in there that aren't necessarily keywords, but they were written with the customer in mind. So I have written that it's a gift under $30 and that there is free 7-day shipping, all of which would appeal to my target customer. All right, there you go. If you want a deeper dive into SEO or have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.